Hello dear students, today we are going to continue lesson number 34, United Nations Organizations. First we need to understand what does it mean or what is it United Nations Organizations. As it is already given at page number 45 right on top, you can see United Nations Organization is an international organization which promotes world peace. So this is an organization, not only but it is an international organizations which promotes or which looks after the peace of the world. Are you aware of the history of these important organizations? Maybe most of you are aware of it. This is not the first time that you are hearing the name of United Nations organizations. You might have already heard. So let us see in detail what is it actually. The United Nations is an organization between countries established on 24th October 1945. So it was established on 24th October 1945 to promote international cooperation. So it was established only to promote international cooperation among the countries. Next, it was founded to replace the League of Nations. So it replaced, it means this United Nations organizations, this replaced what? League of Nations following World War II and to prevent another conflict. So it was just made just because only to prevent another conflict or type of war. Next we have, when it was founded, the UN had 51 member states. Now there are 193 member states. Just remember all these things. So for you need to make a note. Okay, what are a note? Note is write a short note on United Nations organizations, on United Nation organization. So you need to prepare a short note on this. And let us see the questions. Okay, question also you are going to write down as it is given there, and write the correct options only. Don't need to copy all the options that are there. Better to write the correct options. Let's see the first one. After how many years do the member states of the UNESCO meet? So they meet after 2 years. Second one is, which organizations was formed after the First World War to prevent any further wars? The League of Nations. Okay, the League of Nations was formed after the First World War to prevent any further wars. Next is, the term United Nations was coined by a famous political leader. Who was he? That is Franklin Roosevelt. So this is how you are going to write down the answers. Now let us move on to the next one. How many countries attended the first United Nations General Assembly? So how many were there? Just 51. Next question. In which year did India join the UN Security Council? So India joined in the year 1945. Next question. In 1980, the World Health Organization eradicated smallpox. Next we have, at which of the following conferences was the United Nations Charter adopted? So it was, you can see there, the three options are there. Out of this, number B is the correct options. The San Francisco Conference. So dear children, I ask you to write down all these questions this way, especially the one which is already given at page number 45, and about the short notes, which I have already asked you. This one, United Nations Organization. So this is what you are going to write in the copy, and make sure that learn all the questions whichever is there in your book. And in case if you come across any kind of difficulties or any problem in doing this one, you may ask me. And another thing which I am going to tell you is that you will have to take your workbook also, and related with this, if any lesson is connected with this, lesson number 34, United Nations organizations, you can also do that. So thank you so much.